Yeah. Good morning, children. So today I am sending you video number 6, and this is a little complicated topic. So that until unless you will not practice it, you will not be able to understand this. So today we will discuss how to find an inverse of a matrix by using elementary operation. There are various methods to get the inverse, but this method is called as elementary operation. Very important topic from the board exam point of view. And generally this type of topic comes in 6 marks of 3 cross 3. But first of all you have to practice of 2 cross 2. So inverse of a matrix by using elementary operation. Now here I have taken one question. Find A inverse if A is 1, 2, 2 minus 1 by using elementary operation. Okay. So by using elementary operation you have to find the inverse of this particular matrix, given matrix. It's quite complicated topic. You have to practice. After that only you will be able to understand 3 cross 3 matrix. That day after tomorrow we will discuss. Now see here. First step is let A equal to A into I you have to write. A is given matrix. This A write like that only. And I is identity matrix of order 2. Why of order 2? Because question is of 2 cross 2 order. That's why of order 2. Now 4 elements are given here. What is your target to do? Your target is to, first of all, your target is to convert these two elements. First this element, then this element to 0. You have to convert this particular element to 0 as well as this particular element to 0. So first of all this element. So this particular element is present in row 2. So how to convert this particular element to 0? Now suppose this is in row 2. So you cannot use operations like this. Like R2 tends to R2 minus 2. So direct number cannot be added or subtracted. So how to convert this particular term to 0? So R2 here 2 is there, here 1 is there. So you have to convert this term to 0 by using this. So what you will do, here 2 is there, so you have to multiply this term by 2 and subtract both of them. So like this, R2, so R2 tends to, this we read it as tends to, R2 minus 2 R1, R2 minus 2 R1. So R2 we are changing, so R1 is like that only. Now R2, 2, here 2, minus 2 into 1, 2, so 2 minus 2, 0. Now see, minus 1 and minus 4, so minus 5. Now this side also, A is like that only, 0 minus 2. Now 1 minus 0. Now your target is to convert this term to 0. R1, this term, not whole R1, only this term to 0. While converting this term to 0 or this term to 0, if you are getting any element out of these to 0, so there you write A inverse does not exist and stop there only. If out of these two term any one term is converting to 0, then directly you can write A inverse does not exist. Now this term to 0. So here it is written in R1. So write R1. So now this 2, this 5. 1 is even, another is odd. So multiply this by 5, this by 2 and add them. So see I have done it here. 5 R1 plus 2 R2. 5 R1. 5 2s are 10 and minus 5 into minus 10. So 10 minus 10 0. So 5. See 5 R1 5. 2 into 0 0. 5. Here 5. Like 0. Now here see 5 minus 4 1. Now here 5 into 0 0 2. So 2. After these two terms has been converted to 0, after that very easy task. Your target is to convert these two terms to 1. After that, so how to convert this term to 1? R1 tends to R1 by 5 and R2 tends to R2 by minus 5. So simply R1 all the element divided by 5, R2 all the element divided by minus 5. So this is identity matrix and this is inverse. Okay. So one definition is there, invertible matrix. When doubt is there, then at that time I will explain this invertible matrix. Okay, so first you read the definition of invertible matrix, then you will able to understand why A into inverse is identity matrix. So this is identity matrix, this is A, now A inverse. So A inverse answer is this. So in all the question your target is to convert left side to identity matrix and right side automatically it will convert it to inverse. So this is the inverse of this matrix. So this is video number 6. Seriously try to solve question 1 to 14. Until and unless you will not do all these questions, you will not able to understand 3 cross 3, that we will discuss in video number 7. Okay, and while solving this, if in a particular this main row, a main diagonal, out of these two elements, any one term is converting to 0, directly write A inverse does not exist. No need to go further. Okay, thank you. Complete this first of all. If any doubt is there, you can call me and ask the doubt is there. Okay, thank you.